Hello, my learners. Welcome to our today's lesson. My name is Teacher Jonathan, and this is Easy Elimu Learning Simplified. For our lesson for today, we'll be dealing with organizing data. We'll be dealing with organizing data in the grade 4 data handling. And for a start is how can you represent data? How can you represent data? And in our previous lesson, we collected data and recorded data. And we said what we collect, the information that we are getting from either the color of vehicles and the number of vehicles passing by the road, we call it data. And today, I would like we use the same information that we had for the previous lesson. Now we try to organize it in a good manner. So let us try using the color of vehicles passing by and the number of vehicles color of vehicles and the number of vehicles. And we had color white, we had color blue, we had color red, and the last one was color silver. I'm using the previous report that we had recorded to build our today's concept. White color, we had how many vehicles were in white color? We had 7. How many vehicles were of color blue? We had 4. How many vehicles were of color red? We had 5. And lastly, how many vehicles were of color silver? We had 9. Let us use that report. White color vehicle 7, blue color vehicles 4, red color vehicles 6, and silver ones were 9. Now, in our group's learners, we want to organize this data in a well-readable manner. And how do we organize our data? Do you remember when we were doing whole numbers, organizing information or arranging numbers in either descending or ascending order? The same way we did with ascending and descending order arrangements is what now we'll do with our vehicles. Now, we use this information to organize our data in a well-understandable, and we start in an ascending order. So we organize data. We are organizing data in ascending order. And I pose a question, learners, what is ascending order? Yes, Victoria, ascending order is arranging information or data from smallest to the largest. From smallest to the largest. What about descending order, Tom? It is arranging information or data from the largest to the smallest. From largest to the smallest. Now today we are arranging it or organizing it in an ascending manner. So we'll start from the smallest all the way to the largest. We'll start from the smallest all the way to the largest. And now, when we come here, what was our smallest data? It was for blue vehicles, which was 4. So when we organize it in an ascending order, we'll start with 4. After 4, we go to 6. After 6, we come to 7. And then the last one will be 9. So if we were to arrange it in this order of a table, we'll have the color of vehicle, and the number of vehicle, And now, as we arrange this information, we come here. As we arrange this information, we start with 4. The one with the least is the one to start. So we'll start with blue color, which is 4. The second one will be 6. That is red color. Red, vehicles of red color will be 6. The third one will be vehicles of white color. White color will be 7. And the last one will be silver color, which will be 9. And that way we have organized our data from in an ascending order, from the smallest all the way to the largest. We have organized our data in an ascending order. We have organized our data in an ascending order. Learners, can we try this in our groups now? We arrange the following data in an ascending order. Let us arrange the following data in an ascending order. And the data we are arranging is the performance of maths. Let me wrap this one. The data we are organizing is the marks obtained by learners in mathematics. The following is the marks obtained by learners. These were your marks by learners in mathematics text. Now, arrange them or organize them in an ascending order. Organize them in an ascending order. And the marks were as follows. We have 60. We also have 48. We also have 72. We have 68, 54, and 74. Learners, we are arranging or organizing this data in an ascending order. Now, what shall we do? Can you discuss in your groups and try to come up with a good arrangement? Remember the key word here, we are arranging or organizing the data in ascending order. That is the key word. So, that word means we are starting from smallest to the largest. Tom, can you start? Which will be the smallest number here to start with for our answers? It will be 48. So, I'll start here with 48. Now, this is an organized data now. 48. After 48, it is followed by 54. Good. 54 will follow. After 54, Jen, what will follow? It will be 60. This is an organized data now. After 60, what will follow? After 60, what will follow is 68. 68 is followed by 72. And lastly is 74. We have now organized our data from smallest all the way to the largest. And this we call it ascending order. If you are to be asked to arrange the data in a descending order, it means you start from the largest to the smallest. So this now will be the first on the other side, and that one will be the last on this side. That is a descending order. But today, we are arranging it in an ascending order. Learners, as we wind up our lesson, can you try the following task? Arrange the following data or organize the following data in an ascending order. Organize the following data in an ascending order. And the data is as follows. For our task, as we wind up the lesson, arrange this data in ascending order. Organize the following data in in ascending order. What is the data? The data is as follows. The first one, it was the age of learners. Age of learners. And this age was, the age was 48. And the age is in years, 48 years. The second one is 54 years. The third one is 60 years, 68 years. We have 72 years and 74 years. Arrange or organize that data in. No, sorry, I've given the wrong one. This one we have done it already here. This one we have done it already. The data we are organizing is 8. The age in years, it's 8, 11, 10, 9, 14, 12. We also have 10, 15, and 13. And the second task, we are organizing the mass in kg of learners. Mass in kg. And the mass we are arranging in kg is 38 kilograms. We have 47 kilograms, 40, 42. We also have 46. We have 41. We have 39, 43, and 45. Learners organize this data in an ascending order. Remember to do more practice on this. You can try to analyze the number of spoons that you have, the utensils that you have, and the number of utensils you have. And you can tabulate spoons, how many do you have? Plates, how many do you have? Glasses, how many do you have? Fork, how many do you have? And you try to analyze them and then arrange them in an ascending order. Meet in the next lesson.